Hi guys, welcome back to Rafthelsa vlogs. So this is my walking tour right here from the commercial area of the Black Forest of Stromberg, Germany. So this is the commercial area here. You can see the garment section here, the garments shop, and in my right side a jewelry shop. So I have just purchased one winter clothes right here. Look over there from boutique or from the garment center. So I am walking down here. So this is the commercial area. So I will show you the commercial area here. Ayan ang mga building nila guys. So let's take a look. It's so cold. Look at my attire. How many double I have already. 6 clothes inside. And how many scarf I have 3. And how many winter cap I have also 3. To avoid getting sick or being sick. So also here is a men's section right here. Marami silang mga bagong damit na pang fashion for men's attire. Oh, look at guys. Oh, very cold. Walang tao ngayon kasi hapon na. It's already 5 o'clock. Marami silang sale dito. Kaso lang, kahit sale, mahal pa rin. Alam nyo na pag, what is this? If it is a commercial area, the price are more expensive. So dito ako guys, naglalakad. Very cold. So let's explore the commercial area. Dito tayo maglalakad. It's so cold. Nobody is sitting down outside because it's not allowed a social gathering now because it's still pandemic. So look at here in the other side. So I will cross the road here guys. I am going to the other side of the city center. Ayan. Ito yung pinakamalaking building dito. Ito yung commercial bank dito. So, maglalakad-lakad lang tayo. So, it's so cold right now. And guys, I will show you the other side here. There is a, alam nyo yung kiosk yun, nakita nyo yung white kiosk, there is a bus stop. There is a bus stop there. So that is the bus stop here of this area. I'm chilling. It's so cold. Look, so cold. So that was the commercial area guys. So tapos na. Maglalakad ulit tayo dito. Let's walk again another side of the Black Forest. So all this area is called Black Forest. In my right side is the bus stop. Yung may kiosk dyan. So look at this. The name of the city is Stromberg. So I am now right here in the city of Stromberg. So let's take a look. The bus in my right side guys. Look. So that is the bus stop there or the bus terminal. The service of the bus is every 1 hour. And here is the shawarma sandwich. If you are walking down in the city and if you're hungry, so you can stop here and buy a sandwich. Hold on. So here, so I am now here standing in the stoplight, and you can see the old building. That is the traditional building of Germany. Yung mga pointed siya. It's like a house of a bird. Look at guys. So, mag-iikot ulit tayo. And I will show you in the other side here. The residential houses is in the lip of the forest. You can see. Nakita niyo yung forest dyan? Ito yung mga bahay, ganyan yan. So, tatawid tayo dito guys kasi pwede pa ako makatawid. Maglalakad. So, ito na. I am here. So, the bus is coming here. Maybe it will pass by the side. So, that is the city bus. Germany is a Catholic country or a Christian country. And you can see the image of Jesus Christ hanging there. So this is the Christian country, Germany. Oh. Look at the trees. The trees are already bird or naked. Nothing, no leaves now this time because it's already winter season. The leaves are falling. And let's take a look the other side of the Black Forest. So that is the houses over there. And there is a church. This is the green pointed one. Is a green. It's a Catholic church. So that is the traditional local houses of the Black Forest of the southwest. Black Forest is situated in the southwest of Germany, and it is known as the Baden-Württemberg. But it is famous, popularly known as the Black Forest, because the area is surrounded with high mountains, thick forest. Look at there. So let's take a look. Ayan guys, maglalakad tayo dito. So let's move on. And I will show you other parts of the Black Forest. Ayan guys. Ayan. Oh, malamig. Oh. The weather is very cold guys. You see? Ito yung itsura ko. Huh? I'm like a robot now. I have so many clothes. I have how many scarf? I have umbrella because I don't know the weather. Maybe after 10 minutes or 20 minutes the snow will come, and it's difficult if I will be showering from the snow. I don't want to be sick, so it's better to fully cover the body with how many clothes. And I am now standing here in this